far, we have learned how to filter data, transform it, sort it, and remove duplicates using Java streams. In this video, we will learn how to retrieve single elements safely from a stream using findFirst and findAny. So, what are findFirst and findAny? Both findFirst and findAny are terminal operations in Java streams. They are used when you want only one element from a stream instead of parsing the entire dataset. Both methods return an optional, not a direct value. Let me show you one example. What I wanna do is first I would create a list of integers. I'll call it numbers, and I will call the random class inits and pass the value. I'll need 5 elements within the range of 1 to 100, and then I'll say box and to list. So this line will generate 5 random integer numbers. Now I'll say numbers dot stream dot filter. So filter will take predicate. I'll give the logic boolean condition that if the number is greater than 10, take the numbers, and then I will say find first. So find first, we can see that it returns an optional. So I will assign it a variable called result1, and now if I print this result1, we'll see the result. The integer is wrapped into an optional. That is, the 55 is wrapped into an optional. So in this example, we filter numbers greater than 10, and findFirst returns the first matching element. If no element matches, it returns an empty optional instead of throwing an exception. So that's the benefit of using optional. And I'll say I'll show you one more example with findAny. I'll say numbers dot string dot filter, take the numbers from the string, and whoever the numbers is greater than 10, take those numbers only, and then I'll say findAny. findAny also returns an optional, so I'll assign it another variable called result2, and now if I print this, we will see the answer is wrapped into an optional variable, that is 80. So in this example, find any returns any one element that matches the condition. In a sequential string, it often behaves like find first, but the real difference appears with the parallel streams. The key difference is ordering. findFirst always respects the encounter order of the stream, and findAny does not guarantee order, which allows it to perform better in parallel streams. I'll show you one real example. Like I would create some employee. I'll say employee one, and I'll create the employee salary. Let's say 20,000. This belongs from, let's say, admin, and let's just copy this line and get some more employees. Let's say this employee have salary admin, and this is from IT. Employee 3 salary, let's say 50,000 from HR, and employee 4 is also from, let's say, HR, and salary with let's say 60,000, and the last employee with salary, let's say 1 lakh from, let's say, finance. So I've just created some employee, and I would create a list of employee now, employees, and what I'm gonna do, I would pass the employee inside the of one by one. So it would create a list of employees. So I pass employee and just created a list of employees. So I'll also show you one more example with findAny employees dot string. No, this time I'll use the parallel string. Dot filter takes the predicate. So take the employee, get the salary, and check the salary is over 80,000 or not. If any employee has salary over 80,000, just return that employee. So in parallel string, findAny can return any matching element, allowing Java to stop processing earlier and improve performance. So for performance oriented thing, we can use the parallel string. And now if I'm gonna assign it variable, if I print this, we can see the, okay, actually I want the employee, it's printed the reference, so I print the department. Okay, now this time it prints finance because finance only have the salary over 80,000. Mistake is calling get an optional without checking if a value is present. This can throw no such element exception and defeat the purpose of optional. So here common real world use case include like getting the first active user, finding any valid transaction, checking if data exists before processing, or safely retrieving database query results. Both findFirst and findAny are short-circuiting operations. This means the stream stops processing as soon as a matching element is found. In performance-critical code, findAny is preferred with parallel streams, and interviewers often ask when should we use findAny and instead of findFirst. The answer is use findAny when order does not matter and performance is important. To summarize this, both find methods findAny and findFirst return optional. findFirst preserves order and findAny may return any matching element, and both are short-circuiting terminal operations. So that's all about this video. In the next video, we'll explore any match, all match, and none match, which help us make decisions using streams. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to Logic Stack, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.